Welcome everyone to the Genus Brewing channel. Today I'm going to give everyone a quick rundown on the Cannular can seamer and its ability to handle, or lack thereof, 16-ounce cans. Typically this can seamer takes 16.9-ounce cans from Cannular itself, and the standard little ring that it comes with takes those just fine. You can calibrate it in to get a nice snug fit. However, the 16-ounce cans we got from American Canning, a bunch of cans, are actually about a 1/4 inch shorter. And that can cause problems, because what happens when you try to adjust this is the threads will actually come completely out of the mechanism, and that'll cause a lot of issues because now this guy is no longer locked in place. However, we at Genus have come up with a simple fix for this, and that is actually taking some rubber hex nut washers. These are going to be common at any homebrew supply store. These are what you're going to use when you are attaching beer line to a commercial style keg faucet, or keg coupler, excuse me. And all it's going to take is 3 of these guys, and we're going to slide them on the little center pin. And these are going to give us an extra, say, call it 3/8 of an inch or so of clearance. And at that point you can simply set this guy back onto your bearing. It's going to ride properly. It actually doesn't move around much at all. And you can take your 16-ounce can, readjust so that it is calibrated. We've already done that. And load it up, and as you can see now, we have a nice snug fit. While this isn't probably the best fix, it is a very quick and very functional fix that is easy for most people to do. If you liked this video and found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button down below. Also, if you want to see more informational videos from Genus Brewing, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Otherwise, we will see you next time, and have a great day.